Hey guys, welcome back to Books Gossip. I'm Mansi, back again with a new book review. And today I am reviewing one more book by Ashna Khan. Previously, I have reviewed one book by her, that is The Drama Queen. The link for the same is in the description below. Coming on to the book I'm talking about today is The Great Indian Snobbery. Well, do you guys know what are snobs? Snobs are the people who think that they are superior to others. They consider everyone below them. They think that they are the best and they are the only one doing something the correct way. Anyone else doing it some other way is incorrect and should be judged, insulted or corrected for sure. Well, do you think that you are one of these snobs? Now, don't say no. I did the same mistake. But after reading this book, I analyzed that I may be a snob in one way or another. And there lives a snob in each one of us, we just won't accept it. Moreover, being a snob is an art, and we Indians have this art a lot in us. While reading about different kinds of snobs, I was actually able to relate that I have met these kind of people around me. In fact, in some cases, I might be these kind of people. The author has shared her personal experiences in the book to describe different kinds of snobs, and there are, I think, around 40 chapters in the book describing each kind of snob. The book is quite witty at some times, and throughout the book you'll feel that it's relatable, easy to understand, and it's of just 150 pages. That is easy to complete because it's a short novel, and I would say that the book is of comical fiction genre. Well, there was this wedding snob in the book, and that was my favorite because I have experienced people around me getting more and more crazy about their weddings. They want their weddings to stand out, and if their budget allows, they might go to another planet for their pre-wedding shoot. Well, I say read this book and discover these kind of snobs around you. You cannot say that to their face, but you can definitely laugh a little. Do share in the comment section below as to what kind of snobs you guys are and what kind of snobs you have met around you. And I would say I quite enjoyed reading this book. It was a fun read. I would rate this book 4 out of 5 because I think that there was some kind of snobs which were described in the book and there was no need for them. Like they were not that important or descriptive. So that's why I just 4 out of 5. And I would say that you could give this book a try. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope this review was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Books Gossip. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. You could also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is right here on the screen. Also guys, I wanted to inform you that because of my tight schedule with my studies, I am going to change the schedule of my videos a bit. I'll inform you as soon as it's settled, and I hope you'll understand. Until then, keep reading. Bye!